to be like this. You're always very disrespectful. You criticizing me. What did I do to Escal Penumbra? Teacher Kel, I'm just gonna accuse your... I am just gonna criticize your husband for what he is doing. Teacher Kel Pabelo, if I were you, divorce that your imbecile husband, Escal Penumbra. He's so abusive. Look at me, I'm saying, look at the boyfriend and the husband of Teacher Marvel. He's very kind at me. His name is John Archu Matthew Bernal. John Archu Matthew Bernal. He's very kind at me. He's not really disrespectful. For me, I just apologize to Teacher Marvel. I'm sorry I treated you as a girlfriend because as you can see, you have a boyfriend. Who's that? John Archu Matthew Bernal. I respect John Archu because I first met John Archu Matthew Bernal when I met him last 2015 when I was the class with Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Marisa. I remember there was my friend Ralph Guevara and also Eris Clemente. John Archu is very kind at me. He's not really evil. I met him in person. But I never criticized John Archu Matthew Bernal. He's very good friend. He's a motorcycle rider. My dude John Archu Matthew Bernal, the husband of Teacher Marvel, wants to receive me what's that? A Hot Wheels diecast. If he got that in Landers. But usually he wants to receive me in my birthday gift last August 21, 2025. During my birthday, I was celebrating my birthday in what's that? In Soler. Of course, Soler. I celebrate my birthday in Soler. When I became 28 years old. But I already bought my Hot Wheels. I say cakes to John Archu Matthew Bernal, the husband of Teacher Marvel. Cake you for opportunity. I got Hot Wheels. The one of the two Hot Wheels, I bought it in Landers. One is Mini Cooper. One is Renault. That is, he's a very good friend. But Escal Penumbra, very abusive. Very pathetic. Is this your husband is very manipulative? I say to Teacher Kel. For me, I don't like those people who are manipulative. I'm just gonna say to you, Escal Penumbra, you're going to be in trouble. You will be happen just like Dan Mardayaw. Unlike Dan Mardayaw and Escal Penumbra, both of them might get in trouble. If I suggest to Escal Penumbra, if your parents died also, if your mom died, who will taking care of you if Teacher Kel divorced you? If she returned back to the Philippines after she came back from United States, who will taking care of you? Escal Penumbra. Escal Penumbra, have a shame to yourself. You should never tell lies that you're the one who created the fake account of Rocky Tulog. Unlike Dan Mardayaw, we make a fake account of Rodelio Daguman to politicalize Rodelio to frame him that he's the one who ruined Cedric Mariano para sirain siya. Escal Penumbra, if I were you, you need to show a little respect. Huwag ka maging abusado like I said to you. Like I said to you, Escal Penumbra. If I were you, Teacher Kel, divorce that Escal Penumbra. Remarry to Luis Porteres. He's a gay, He's a Canadian, Cuban Canadian beauty pageant fanatics. He was based in the Philippines. He always attend the events like Miss Earth, Miss International. He goes to Japan. He attend the Miss Earth beauty pageant last year. He attended there, Luis Porteres. You choose Luis Porteres, Teacher Kel. He's a very kind person rather than Eskel Penumbra. I'm a good friends with Luis Porteres. I'm good friends with John Archu Matthew Bernal, the husband of Teacher Marville, because both of them are my good friends. They are kind at me. Unlike Eskel Penumbra, very disrespectful. He's really a Marcos loyalist, very disrespectful. Napakawalang ya, like I said. Unlike Luis Porteres and John Archu Matthew Bernal, they are pro-Duterte. They are not very abusive. They are very kind. Like me, for example, I show kindness to everyone. For me, I show kindness to my former friend Lawrence Villawan. You know, Eskel Penumbra, Ate Dina Guillermo, and the other Marcos loyalists, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and Danmar Dayaw. All of you should not be abusive. All of you not be manipulative. Like you, Danmar Dayaw, you're the one who ruined Cedric Mariano. You are a liar. I was told by Carl Vilus, sinungaling talaga si Danmar Dayaw. You are a liar. You're the one who ruined Cedric Mariano's art to frame Rodelio Daguman. What does Kuya Rodelio Daguman do to you? Danmar Dayaw, what does Kuya Rodelio Daguman do to that person named Cedric? Nothing. You always talk politicalize over at Rodelio Daguman. You know, I've been told with Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear says to me, what's that, the words? Do not talk about politics. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, wag ka na magpolitika, I said to you. You know, you always talk about politics. You're always trying to mess other autism, even others. And how do you know Ernest Marisigan? Let me get it straight, Danmar Dayaw. He doesn't walk to meet Ernest Marisigan. He's a cerebral palsy. How come he will go there? He has no aid to meet him. You are a liar, Danmar Dayaw. You and Eskel Penumbra, both of you are liar. Danmar Dayaw and Eskel Penumbra, both of you are abnormal. For me, I like to say Teacher Kel will be married to Luis Porteres. Luis Porteres is not talking about politics. He's not talking about the feud between Sara Duterte and Bongbong Marcos. It's only he focus anyway, politics. He doesn't focus about politics. The only he focus anyway, instead of politics, beauty pageant. Like you, Eskel Penumbra. After I defeat Sangkay Janjan, after I defeat Romeo TV Vlog, after I defeat Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, at Jim Macasandil, after I defeat Jam Magno, you Eskel Penumbra, and Ate Dina Guillermo, Danmar Dayaw, and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. Have all of you have never shame to the person, Kuya Rodelio Daguman? And all of you want to ruin Cedric Mariano, to frame Kuya Rodelio Daguman, to slander him? That's really insane to create fake account, to politicalize. Look at Bam Hernando. He never talk about politics. I saw his Facebook post. Oh, he has a cover picture, Philippine flag. He has a profile pic that he wear eyeglasses, and he was locked his Facebook account. Bam doesn't like politics. He's non-political. He's neutral. Bam Hernando is a pro-Duterte. He is a neutral. He's a non-political. Those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, they're talking about political. They're talking about doctrine, about politics. And even Danmar Dayaw, Eskel Penumbra, are both of them are abnormal. Diyos ko, like I said, Danmar, kailan ba ikaw magtitino, Danmar Dayaw? When are you gonna stop bashing Rodelio Daguman? Kailan ka ba magbabagong buhay, Danmar? When are you gonna change yourself, Danmar Dayaw? What about you, Eskel Penumbra? When are you gonna be change yourself? Kailan ka magbabagong buhay? This is really predictable. I am not related to politics. This is really defiant and resilient. This is very ignorant.